is up? What's up, Friend Squad? It's your girl Sin, and I'm back with another video. As you guys see right here, I am at Mikey Designs studio today. So we're gonna go inside and see what they up to today, and I'm gonna be hanging out with him today and trying to show you guys some of the process. So if you want to see all of this, stick around.
TshirtChick.
What's up?
TshirtChick! TshirtChick! I'm not working. I'm not working. TshirtChick. How you doing?
All right, you see it. You see it.
Good to have you here.
Yep, it's good to be here. Good to be
Good.
here.
Good. Well, we're gonna put you to work.
What's up, Paulo?
Paulo, say hi to the camera.
What you got going on over there?
Yo!
She's piling up rocks, doing invoices, answering phone calls. Ow!
The rocks are going well.
It's me, TshirtChick, and I'm getting some stuff done. What's up, Friend Squad? Well, today I'm at Mikey Design Shop, and we're gonna do some stuff like work. We're gonna print some t-shirts on this thing over here, which is an automatic screen printing press. And stay tuned because we're doing some stuff.
Alright, y'all, since I am an employee now, I gotta take this Friend Squad shirt off. I am officially, I was just over there on the other side, y'all, putting in some work, y'all. So let me go ahead and put my Mikey Designs employee shirt on right here. It's official, y'all. It's official. The girl got the Mikey Designs t-shirt on. Check it out. Now I can just use this one to wipe my sweat. Let's go. All right, guys. I'm pausing right here. Just in case y'all don't see, I wanted you guys to see that I made a very rookie mistake. Okay, so just in case you don't see, I'm going to zoom in for you guys just so you can see what ended up happening to me. This is not what you want. And this all happened a little bit earlier. I'm going to show you guys what happened right before I ended up doing this.
I'm going to move this out of the way so that way you don't go bumping into ink. Just need to... keep hitting that manual print button and pull them off until you're finished with them.
Oh no.
That's all
I'm
right.
supposed to be there. Ah.
That's fine. So all you have to do is hit left. Then you go ahead and pull that shirt off.
I'm about to mess up again. I'm talking about getting fired.
Right. And then after that, you can just hit the play button and everything will be fine. You're doing a good job, Sin.
Thank you.
I don't care if I'm going to fire you on video.
Y'all see me messing up. Look at that. I'm the boss now. Go ahead and just stack them over there.
T-shirt chick's moving up. You went from stacking to press operator. Next, you're going to take over the phones.
These on the front. And those on the back.
Sounds about right.
All right, y'all. I just finished my first day working out at Mikey Designs. As y'all see, I got the official Mikey Designs employee t-shirt right here. So, how was my day? Do I like working here? Am I gonna be back tomorrow? Who only knows? Let me see. I'm gonna tell y'all what we did. Okay, we came in here. We printed like 9,000 shirts today. It was like 400 degrees in the kitchen. I sweated. I might have lost about 10-15 pounds at the least. I did get a chance to work the press. They did have an endless supply of ice cold water, and you know, I just had a good time hanging out with Matt and Shannon, you know, so I'll be back unless they fire me. I did mess up a lot today, so you know, with everything I messed up a few things today. I don't even want to talk about that right now. I just kind of want to check in and let y'all know how everything's been going. But I'm gonna check back in here shortly before I get ready to leave, and just let y'all know what's coming next. I just finished my first day at Mikey Designs. So tomorrow we got a lot of work to do coming in tomorrow. So
Whoa! What did you say? You're coming in tomorrow?
yeah. Oh, you gotta do my review, don't you? You gotta do my review today.
No, I think you've done great for someone that's been doing it for a while. I mean, you know your stuff.
Yeah, I'm a pro.
But I tell you what, let's just I'll call you. Don't call me.
Okay.
And we'll keep your file on record.
Okay, y'all want me, like, y'all don't have to call me. I'll just come in. What time? What time y'all want me to come in?
No, it's okay. We got enough help. I appreciate it. Thanks, though. You know, I really value and cherish our times together, but we got it.
Yeah, y'all see this.
I don't need any more shirts set on fire, registration marks printed down. I don't want to. It's been fun. Let's just not ruin that.
Let's cherish the memories that we've made.
Yeah, let's not add to
Y'all
memories that we're not cherishing.
Y'all remember, before I tell y'all this, y'all go ahead and subscribe and like, and y'all go to Mikey Designs channel and y'all hit the thumbs up on every video. No, I'm just playing. Y'all hit the thumbs down on his video. No, I'm just playing. I said the opposite of what I meant. I meant to say hit the thumbs down. No, I'm just playing. Y'all, okay,
I'm just playing with Sin. She's more than welcome to come back at any time.
And she did a great job.
She's done great. Any time that there is a, you know, I mess up myself, so it's not the end of the world. But
yeah,
she just cusses less when she messes up.
yeah, like. I applied for this job probably 2 years ago, and they just called me in for an interview and hired me, and I thought I was, you know, I almost got fired on my first day. Maybe I can do better. Maybe I can do better next time.
To be fair, you are very
good
pushy.
reputation when it comes to screen printing. So I figured. Oh, thank you, sir.
And we liked your assertiveness of driving from Louisiana without telling us to come to the interview in person.
Thank you. Alright, I just got the devil one.
Pretty good.
Okay.
Pretty good. Wait, like she's a pro. That's right. Just leave the screens to Mario because he's the expert.
Mario, I already did that screen, Mario.
Had a couple spots. Sorry. Have to be perfect.
All right, Prince Squad. I appreciate y'all watching. Y'all make sure y'all follow me on Instagram at TshirtChick TV, and you don't miss me. What do I usually say? All right, and I see you guys in another video. Prince Squad out.
Oh shit! Oh my God! She did it! She did the Prince Squad out. That was amazing.
All right, I'm back with some more quarantainment. And you know quarantainment, that's just entertainment. I'm on YouTube, maybe one day I will be famous. If I don't, at least y'all still know my name is. I'm shameless, I rip from the heart.